In this video, I want to take you through the steps needed to maintain your E1000 whole house water filtration system with UV disinfection. To accomplish this, we'll need a new set of cartridges and a new UV lamp, sediment filter model E100R, carbon filter model E200R, and UV lamp model L420C. The first step is to unplug the UV system from power and turn off the main water supply. Next, I'll open the nearest faucet to relieve the water pressure. Now, I'm ready to remove both of the housings using the wrench. Make sure to support the housings from the bottom, as they will be full of water and weigh about 15 pounds. With the water removed, I'm ready to remove and discard the old cartridges. Next, I'll remove the old O-rings using a small flathead screwdriver. Now, I'm ready to prep the new O-rings with the included silicone grease. Now, this is a food-grade silicone grease, so there's no problems with it getting on your fingers. Any residual left up can be cleaned up with some typical dish soap. Next, I'll install the lubricated O-rings into the housings. Next, I'll install the new cartridges to the housings, making sure that they both fully seat on that lower standpipe. Now I can reinstall the housings to the manifold. I'll start by installing the carbon filter, which has a white top on the outlet side, and the sediment filter, which has a blue top on the inlet side. Both hand tightened and then snugged up with the wrench. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to remove the grounding screw from the grounding nut. Now, with a quarter of a turn, I can remove the lamp from the gland nut. Careful, the lamp could be hot. Now I need to remove and discard the old lamp key. Install the new lamp, making sure not to touch the glass with my bare fingers. I'll reconnect the lamp plug to the lamp. It only connects one way. And then with a quarter turn, connect it back into the gland nut. Now I can reattach the grounding screw to the grounding nut. Install the new lamp key to the power supply. Now I'm ready to slowly turn the main water supply back onto the system. I made sure to leave that nearest faucet open to relieve any trapped air. Once the water starts to flow smoothly, I'll allow the system to flush for 10 minutes. Lastly, we can plug the UV system back into power. The UV system will now go into its startup procedures. For video purposes, we've sped the process up, but in real time it takes about 2.5 minutes. Ultimately, you're looking for the check mark and the 365-day counter. Your system is now ready for use. If you have questions on maintaining your Kind system, give us a call at 888-614-5559.